Straight facts, we are sitting at 37% net profit in 14 weeks, no cap. This is the raw math behind a fully mechanical GBPUSD strategy. No gut feelings, no messy indicators, and zero retail bias. Today, we're taking this exact system into weeks 15 and 16 to see if our edge keeps printing money or gets completely cooked by mid-month volatility. Let's drop right into the charts. Monday, April 13th, and we secured a clean bag right out the gate. Price sweeps the session liquidity, triggers our sell limit, and melts straight to our take profit. A textbook plus 2% day. Easy money. On Tuesday, April 14th, the market was straight up tweaking. The setup printed, but price immediately reversed and slapped our stop loss. Caught a clean minus 2% L, but we keep it moving. Wednesday, April 15th was brutal. Back-to-back Ls handed us another minus 2% day. This is the exact moment most retail traders lose their minds, go full tilt, and blow their funded accounts. But mechanical trading hits different, we just log the data and stay locked in. Thursday, April 16th was pure clutch. The algorithmic order flow aligned perfectly, price tapped our buy limit, and blasted straight to our 2-to-1 target. A beautiful plus 2% recovery. Friday, April 17th to close out the week. The strategy spots another valid liquidity sweep, triggers the entry, and hits take profit effortlessly. That final plus 2% officially saved the week, pushing us past the drawdown into a positive net gain. Week 16 opens on Monday, April 20th, and the system is out here printing money. A rapid session expansion triggers our sell execution and smashes target at the buzzer for a quick plus 2%. Tuesday, April 21st was straight chop city. Trade 1 took a minor hit, but the secondary structural shift kept our capital alive. It was a long, grinding hold, but it eventually pushed to target for a plus 1% day. Wednesday, April 22nd was clean as hell. No drawdown, no stress, just a highly programmatic short setup that delivered a flawless plus 2% straight to the bank. Thursday, April 23rd gave us an identical banger. The strategy maps out the sweep, protects our risk, and extracts another plus 2% from the market makers. Total cheat code status. To wrap the cycle on Friday, April 24th, we caught a double L for minus 2%. The market trapped us, but we don't sweat it. We accept the cost of business, close the laptop, and look at the final master scoreboard. Let's check the final math. Week 15 survived the volatility shakeout to finish up plus 2%, and week 16 brought home a heavy plus 5% gain. After 16 weeks of raw, mechanical tracking, our grand total is sitting at an incredible 44% net profit. The data doesn't lie. The exact moment this channel hits 1,000 subscribers, I am dropping the complete PDF masterclass blueprint, including the exact indicator entry parameters and this tracking spreadsheet, 100% for free. Smash that subscribe button right now, track the bag with me, and let's get it. See y'all in the next session.